Hello, class. Are you ready for your natural sciences class? Yes? Okay, let's go straight. I am going to start today this class with mass, volume and mixtures. ¿Qué significa esto? Pues que vamos a hablar de la masa, del volumen y de mezclas. We're going to start listening to this text, okay? Objects and materials have mass and volume. Let's read it and listen to it.
Page 10. Mass, volume and mixtures. Objects and materials have mass and volume. Mass is the amount of matter an object has, and volume is how much space it occupies. An object can be small but very heavy. A different object can be big but very light.
So here they say that objects and materials have mass and volume. Todo objeto y todo material, los objetos y los materiales, tienen masa y volumen. Mass is the amount of matter an object has. La masa es la cantidad de materia que tiene un objeto. And volume is how much space it occupies. Y el volumen es cuánto espacio ocupa ese objeto. An object can be small but very heavy. Un objeto puede ser pequeño pero muy pesado. A different object can be big but very light. Y al contrario, un objeto puede ser grande pero muy ligero. So here we are going to listen and write mass or volume. There are different boxes. Here the boxes are in a scale, and here the boxes are in space, okay? Let's listen.
Listen and write mass or volume.
Volume is the space that something occupies. The blue box has more volume than the red box. Mass is how heavy something is. The red box has more mass than the blue box.
So here we have to write mass or volume in these spaces here. Which one has the largest mass? Circle. So here we have a dolphin, a butterfly, a feather, a skew, an apple, and a balloon. And you have to circle the ones with the largest mass. Ya sabemos que la masa es el peso, lo que pesa. La masa es lo que pesa. Y el volumen es el espacio que ocupa. Aquí se nos pide cuál es el que tiene the largest mass, la mayor masa, el mayor peso. In activity 3, you have to think and complete with green or yellow. Here we have some balloons, and here we have 2 boxes, and you have to complete here with green or with yellow. The ball has more mass. ¿Cuál tiene más masa de las dos? ¿La amarilla o la verde? Ya hemos dicho que la masa es el peso, mass. The balloon has more volume. Aquí se nos pide el volumen, lo que ocupan, el espacio que ocupan. The box has more mass. Y aquí nos piden otra vez la masa, el peso. Okay? All right. This is about mass and volume. And now, here, we are going to match. Vamos a unir. But first of all, we are going to listen to this text about mixtures. Nos van a explicar qué es una mezcla. Nosotros nos podemos encontrar sustancias puras o sustancias combinadas. Y una mezcla, ¿qué puede ser? Su nombre lo indica. Es la mezcla de varias sustancias puras. Vamos a escuchar a ver qué nos dicen lo que es una mezcla, a mixture.
Page 11.
A mixture is made when two or more substances are combined. Mixtures can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. In a homogeneous mixture, ingredients mix together easily. In a heterogeneous mixture, ingredients don't mix together easily.
Okay, so a mixture is made when two or more substances are combined. Mixtures can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. In a homogeneous mixture, ingredients mix together easily. In a heterogeneous mixture, ingredients don't mix together easily. ¿Qué quiere decir esto? Pues que una mezcla se obtiene cuando dos o más sustancias son combinadas, se combinan, y nos dicen que pueden ser de dos tipos, homogéneas o heterogéneas. Una mezcla homogénea es en la que los ingredientes se mezclan con mucha facilidad. Por ejemplo, el agua la leche con cacao, con colacao, se mezclan y se obtiene luego una leche con cacao de color marrón, pero se disuelven los polvitos del cacao. Esa es una mezcla homogénea. En cambio, una mezcla heterogénea es en la que los ingredientes no se mezclan fácilmente. ¿Vale? Bueno, pues entonces vamos a ver ahora, vamos a escuchar porque, vamos a unir. Vamos a unir al mezclar these two substances. When we mix these two substances, what can we get? Or when we mix these three substances, what can we get? Or when we mix these three substances, what can we get? And when we mix these substances, what can we get? Salad, pizza, chocolate milk, or lemonade. So you have to match, okay? And in this activity, what you have to do is to listen and say the number. You are going to listen to two descriptions, and you have to say orally which is the mixture described each time. Is it a heterogeneous mixture or an homogeneous mixture? Okay? Let's listen.
Listen and say the number.
1. I can see there are two different substances in this mixture. I can see water and blue plasticine balls. This is a heterogeneous mixture. 2. I can only see one substance in this mixture, but it's made of two substances, water and blue watercolor paint. This is a homogeneous mixture.
So, which mixtures are described each time? Está muy claro, ¿vale? Entonces, lo único que tenéis que decir es la primera descripción, a qué sustancia se corresponde, a una mezcla heterogénea o a una mezcla homogénea, a heterogeneous mixture or a homogeneous mixture. All right, and in this activity you have to classify. You have to classify these four mixtures. Here is salad homogeneous or heterogeneous? Is chocolate milk homogeneous or heterogeneous? Is lemonade homogeneous or heterogeneous? And is pizza homogeneous or heterogeneous? Okay? This is what you have to do for Monday and Wednesday. O sea, esta tarea las dos hojitas, la 10 y la 11, pages 10 and 11, must be done on Monday and Wednesday. No me la mandéis el lunes, por favor. Mandádmela el miércoles con las dos hojitas, ¿vale? Con las tareas de los 2 días. Esta es una tarea para 2 días, para lunes y para miércoles, ¿de acuerdo? Entonces no me la mandéis hoy lunes, sino ya me la mandáis toda junta el miércoles. ¿De acuerdo? Is it clear? Perfect. So it was a pleasure to record this video for you. I hope to see you very, very soon. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye with the whole screen, and nothing else for today. Just take care, and please send me photos and videos. I want to see your faces. All right? I love you.